His neck might be red, but listen what he said. Please, 63.
Hi y'all, how you doing? So your agitator on your washer is not doing its thing. Check it out, right? When you go to wash, it's like barely freaking moving. Well, there's a reason for this. They're called dogs. They're inside here. Now the first thing you want to test before you do anything inside here and take a look at it, once you take and move this agitator, if you move it one way and it moves, and then when you go to move it the other way, the whole tub, the whole agitating system doesn't move, then you know it's the top part of the agitator. And it's really, really an easy fix. Now follow me on this. All you have to do, you take the place where you put in your little fabric softener and you pop it loose. Just pop it loose. There's nothing to it. Now down inside here, see that cap? The cap will come out. Now on some models, the cap is underneath the agitator itself and you'll be pulling the whole agitator off before you get this. But on this particular model, it's right inside. Now you see down in there, that's the little clutch. There's nothing to taking this off. There's a screw down there in the middle. This one takes a 7/16. It's a little ways in there, but you can get to it. All you have to do to remove it, get a socket on it, hold the bottom of that thing, hold the bottom of the agitator, just start loosening it until the screw comes out. Some of them are in there kind of snug because they've been there for a while. Don't fear. And it's a regular thread. It's not reversed. It's not anything like that. So don't sit there and fight with it because you might break it. Just like taking a regular old nut and bolt off. They are kind of long-winded, but that's okay. There you go. Now that little puppy's loose. Take it out. Once you get this off, close the lid. Because when you go to dump this out, stuff's going to come out and you don't want it going down inside the washer. That would just be silly. Let me show you right here what I'm talking about. These little things are called dogs. Roof, roof. I don't know why they're called dogs, but hey, who am I? All you do, pull the little cover up and remove these dogs. Now what's wrong with these? On the very tip, the teeth are really, really worn. They just slip out of their little slots one at a time. Nothing to it. And this is why you have the lid shut, because they're slicker than snot on a doorknob. I went down to the appliance store, spent like $8. Got some new ones, look at that. They're really universal. All you have to do is put them back in. Little hole, little slot. Get them all facing the same direction. Nothing to it. Just slide in. Put the little cover back on. It only goes on one way, so you find it, you're there. And it covers all the little holes. Right upside down. Set that piece back down inside the agitator. It's as easy as it looks. The last time I did this backwards, but we're not doing that today. Set down inside there. Let it sit. Oh, this is looking good. Put the screw in your hand. Don't lose it. All right. the lid, put it back on. Put the agitator back on there first till it settles in. Everything is settled in there. It's a little screw. Get it back in the hole. Got it in on the first try. Practice, practice, practice. Alright. Tighten it back up. Let's put the ratchet on there and get it hand tight. Long-winded screw right there. Tell you what. Once you get it hand tight in there, snug it in. Don't go nuts on how tight you tighten this, because it is a plastic piece after all. Good and snug. Now, let's see. Come on over here. Don't be shy. It goes one way. When you go to turn the other, looky there. And really, that's all there is to it. All you have to do is put it back together the same way you took it apart. Put the cover back on there and you're good to go. It's not that hard. Don't throw your machine away. Be sure you test before you replace. If this would have been working before I went to the inside of it, I would have gone to another part. You'd be checking the clutch down below, checking the transmission on this thing, see if anything's slipping, see if the tooth's missing. But as for this, that's how you replace the dogs on this agitator. And your agitator's fixed and it's going to last for years. Y'all take care now. That agitator action right there, that's what I'm talking about. Good as new. Looks like a charm.